everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Padahastasana. This asana is really good to improve digestion and avoids constipation. Please do not practice if you have hernia. To practice, start with standing sthiti. Bring your legs together. Inhale and raise both the arms up. Give a backward stretch. Exhale and bend from your lower back and try to catch hold of your ankles and touch your forehead to your knees. If not, you can touch the floor as well and maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Give an upward stretch. Exhale and release your hands and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.